In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp API. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, create an app, grab your credentials safely, and manage your app settings without headaches. Start by heading to clickup.com and open the app. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google. If you normally sign in another way, that's fine. Just log in as you usually do. When Google prompts you, select the account you want to use and complete the sign-in. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From that menu, open Settings. On the Settings page, find the ClickUp API section in the sidebar. This is where you'll create and manage your developer apps and credentials. Choose the option to create a new app. You'll be asked for an app name and a redirect URL. For the name, pick something clear and descriptive, like the product or integration you're building, or include the environment, such as My App, Staging, so it's obvious later what it's for. For the redirect URL, enter the exact URL where you want users to be sent back after they authorize with ClickUp. This must match precisely during OAuth, same scheme, domain, path, and if used, port. For local testing, you might use a localhost URL, and for production, use an HTTPS domain you control. Mismatches here are the most common cause of OAuth errors, so double check it before you continue. Click Create an app to generate your credentials. You'll now see your app listed with a client ID and a secret. If the interface lets you click Client ID to reveal it, go ahead and copy it. Use the Show option to view your client secret when you need it. Treat these like passwords. Store them in a secure password manager or secret vault. Don't embed them in code, and load them via environment variables in your application. If you believe your secret may have been exposed, use the Regenerate option to rotate it. This immediately invalidates the old secret and issues a new one. Be ready to update any services that rely on it. You can temporarily disable your app by toggling it off. That's helpful for maintenance or to quickly pause access without deleting anything. When you're certain you no longer need the integration, choose Delete to remove the app entirely. Keep in mind that deletion can't be undone and will cut off access for anything using those credentials. That's it. Log in, open settings, create your app, capture your credentials securely, and manage access with Regenerate, Toggle, and Delete as needed.